Hey everybody, here's your answer key to assignment number 20. But first, remember, the difference between complementary and supplementary angles is that complementary angles add to 90 degrees and supplementary angles add to 180 degrees. Complementary angles look like an L, a right angle. Supplementary angles are made from a straight angle, that is a straight line. So for every problem on today's classwork, first make sure you're identifying, am I looking at a 90-degree angle? Because a right angle adds up to 90. Or am I looking at a straight angle? Because a straight angle adds up to 180 degrees. Number one is clearly a straight line. It makes a straight angle of 180 degrees. So it must be supplementary angles. Number two, it's slanted, but it still makes a right angle. The box in the corner shows that it's equal to 90 degrees. Therefore, this one has to be complementary angles. I don't see a right angle. I don't see a straight angle. That means number three is neither. For number four, angle 1 and angle 2 don't make a 90-degree angle. They don't make a straight angle, so they are neither. Number 5, 126 degrees and 54 degrees, if you add them together, what would you get? 180 degrees. And in fact, you can even see the way this picture is set up that if I push those two angles together, it would make a straight angle. This is supplementary angles. Here's 6 through 9. Starting with number 10, you have to solve for x. If we look at these problems, starting at number 10, the first thing you need to do is identify if you're looking at complementary or supplementary. So if we take a look at 3x degrees at 18 degrees, if you added them together, what would you make? Let's look at the picture a little closer. Those two angles together make half of a circle. Or what happens if we take away the diagonal? I see a straight angle. I see 180 degrees. Therefore, we can set up a two-step equation. 3x plus 18 equals 180 degrees because straight angles equal 180 degrees. This is an example of supplementary angles. Then I isolated the variable and balanced the equation, and I got x equals 54. Number 12 is an example of supplementary angles because together they make a 90-degree right angle. So I'm going to set up another two-step equation, and this time my sum will be 90. I isolated my variable and balanced my equation, and x equals 12. Number 13 was another example of supplementary angles. So 2x plus 86 adds up to 180 degrees, that full straight angle. I isolated the variable, balanced my equation, and got x equals 47. Number 14, x equals 21. Number 15 makes a right angle, so that's back to complementary angles. They add up to 90 degrees, x equals 3. Number 16 is supplementary angles, x equals 163. Number 17 is supplementary angles that add up to 180, x equals 45. And the last problem, number 18, is an example of complementary angles that add up to 90 degrees, x equals 11. If you have any comments, leave them in the questions. Thanks for watching, everybody.